It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, babe. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. We can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight, straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
You guys, I love the lighting in this bathroom. So we just had dinner downstairs and now we're listening to some music. Probably I'm gonna cut this video because I don't want the music behind to like get me into trouble. But yeah, I definitely think I'm gonna do a skincare routine because the lighting here is so perfect. I look so stunning. Like, we'll see. I might do a skincare routine for you guys. So I am definitely excited. Before you guys start thinking that I'm mixing, that like I'm an alcoholic, that I drink too much, this is not my drink, okay? It's not my drink, it's not my drink. If you watch closely, you will see that I'm asking, is that enough? Is that enough? Is that enough? So yeah, thought I should just like put it out there, okay? I cannot believe the lighting in here, you guys. Oh my goodness, the lighting is so good. Like, I cannot, like, honestly, I cannot.
Camping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco.
You guys, I'm so sorry. Like, the quality here is so bad. The camera quality is really, really bad. I think it's because it's at night and maybe I didn't wipe the lens, but like I still wanted to vlog for you guys. I still wanted to like show you what's going on and what's happening. So I'm sorry. But you know what? Keep watching, because oh my goodness, this vlog gets so much better. I promise you, there's still a lot that's coming. You're gonna enjoy it.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain.
I'm talking.
That was so embarrassing though.
No, it wasn't.
As I'm enjoying my wine, this lace is not lacing. You know, it's hot. The heat is like killing me. Everything is just like, I don't know what's going on, darling. You know what? Enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Got these flowers for my girl. They're cute. Okay, now I'm gonna let you watch. I'm melting. At least you're sweating. I'm melting. I'm melting. Hey, darling. You're so pretty.
I just want to touch together.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store. This isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be